Good day everyone, I am Danny Amis Jr. In this video, I will discuss the topic about passage planning. So, what is passage planning? This includes the total distance of passage, the critical areas of the no-go areas, the ETA or the estimated time arrival, and lastly, the height of tide and the underkill clearance. A passage plan is a comprehensive bird-to-bird guide developed and used by a vessel bridge team to determine the most favorable route, to identify potential problems or hazard along the route, and to adopt bridge management practices to ensure the vessel's safe passage. It includes a complete description of the ship's passage, which is prepared by an experienced deck officer the ship. This is done to ensure that the ship sticks to the required routes for reaching the port of destination. Here is an example of the scenario description. MV Stolt Arrow on ballast condition, preparing for her departure at Cabugao Bay and bound to her next port of destination, Tacloban Pilot Station. What will be the total distance and the estimated time of arrival if she needs to depart at 0900 hour December 13 to 2022. So the ship's particular draft 5.5 meters, ship speed 10 knot. So first we were going to use the chart A1 and B1. So we will going to plot the passage plan of the chart. So this includes the coordinates, the course, and as well as its distance from waypoint to waypoint. So right after plotting the passage plan in the chart, we will go into label or give to, or also to encircle the critical areas to avoid or to prevent accident or hazards. So right after plotting the passage plan on the chart, we will going to get the total distance from each waypoint. So waypoint 1 to waypoint 2, we have 6 nautical miles. Waypoint 2 to waypoint 3, 16 nautical miles. Waypoint 3 to waypoint 4 is 25 miles. Waypoint 4 to waypoint 5, 14 nautical miles. Waypoint 5 to waypoint 6, 21 nautical miles. Waypoint 6 to waypoint 7, 58 nautical miles. And lastly, waypoint 7 to waypoint 8, 2 nautical miles. So we were going to get a total distance of 142 nautical miles. So now we were going to calculate the estimated time arrival by using the formula or the triangular formula, which is the distance over speed and times. So the distance is 142 nautical miles, the speed is 10 knots, and time is as. So the formula for time is distance over speed, right? So let's substitute the values. Time is equals to 142 nautical miles over or divided by 10 knots. So time will be 14.2 or 1412 hours. And we will also going to add 0900 hours because this is departure time. So we were going to get 2312 hours. So now we were going to get the height of tide by using the tide table of January of December 13, 2022. We have the time of 00:58 hours, 08:34 hours, 14:45 hours, and 18:29 hours. So we're going to use 18:29 hours and 00:58 hours. So we're going to subtract 23.2 and 18.5, and we're going to get 4.7. 24.9 minus 18.5 is 6.4, and now we will go into so far the range of time. So on the tide table 18.29 has a height of 0.46 meters, and 00:58 hours has a height of 1.66 meters. We will go into subtract both type, and we were going to get a range of tide which will be 1.2 meters. So cross multiply 4.7 times 1.2 meters over 6.4. So we're going to get 0.88 meters. 0.88 meters will be used to get the actual depth. So 0.88 plus the charted depth, which is equals to 5.88 meters. So 58 meters will be used to get the UKC. So 5.58 meters, it minus that drop, which is 5.5 meters, is equals to 0.38 meters.